Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at SEI network and the SEI trade which we actually set up in the last video. You can also check that out. So first of all, this is the trade which we set up in the last video, and as you can see, we are near the good entries. We will look at this later. Let's first look at some development around the SEI. So first of all, if you are not aware about SEI is basically a layer 1 solution with parallelized EMV. So basically they are the biggest competitor of Solana, Ethereum and others, because SEI is actually promising the fastest blockchain in the market as of now, and they also have the fastest finality, as you can see here. So if we do look at the investors, they are backed by Circle, Coinbase, Multicoin, Jump and other big crypto market backers. So as you can see, these are the big institutions which are actually backing the SEI. So besides being fast, it is also scalable and it is also carbon neutral, as you can see here. So their ecosystem is actually growing pretty fast, and they are actually, so this is their ecosystem and it has been growing pretty fast. As you can see here, they are adding new products slash new projects every day. So another thing which is to note is that this is their roadmap. As you can see here, in the 2024 they have announced something called the first parallelized EMV is proposed in response to developers and users demand, and in recognition of the glaring scalability issue facing Ethereum developers, SEI Labs develops and proposes an upgrade to SEI as the first parallelized EMV blockchain. So that means it will be Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain as well. So a lot of going on is for SEI, and because of that it has actually gone up pretty well. So in terms of speed, it will be better than Solana and Ethereum. So that means SEI will most likely have a big demand in once the layer 1 actually goes up. So this project is a pretty hot project to look at if you are looking to get into any layer 1 in this bull run. So another thing which we have to look at is the SEI DeFi. As you can see here, it has been going up, and I think there is a good reason that it may even double or triple from this point, because what they did is that canonical USDC and USDT are now available on SEI. I am sorry if I am pronouncing it incorrectly, but this is something that Astropod actually launched, which means that as they approach to the SEI version 2 launch, user experience will actually improve with this new. So another thing is that they also have this Hoya, which is which is coming to the SEI, and beside that, if we look at they have also Pixel RAM, which is coming to the SEI as well. So they have a lot of ecosystem which is actually building. So that means SEI actually has a potential in this bull run because of its ecosystem. So let's look at a very important thing, which is their tokenomics. So as of now, SEI does have a max supply, unlike Ethereum and Solana, which is 10 billion, and it means that there won't be more than 10 billion tokens in the market. So and they will be released slowly over the next 10 year over the next 6 years. So around 2030 there will be around 9.4 billion SEI in the market. So as of now, if we do look at the SEI, the current daily so the current linear schedule is programmed for the ecosystem reserves and foundation. So it is unclear whether the foundation is selling or not, but I believe they may be selling because they need to grow their ecosystem, and they could be giving those grants as well. So in terms of ecosystem reserves, those will be probably given to the grants. So that means the sale pressure could be happening as of now as we speak, but it is still unclear. But in terms of actual sale pressure, I believe it will come in around August. So as you can see here, so just a second, so from September, as you can see, after that the private investors and the team will start getting tokens. So the private investors include such as Coinbase Ventures and others. So If I am making any mistake, please feel free to correct me in the comment section below. But I think after September there will after August to August 24th there will be a lot of sell pressure from the side, because these investors team and the team will be getting the token, so they may sell, because in terms of team they have been developing this project for quite a while, so they may take some profit. Same goes for the investors. So this was the actually the recap of the site. So let's look at some of their actual stats. So they actually, as of now, if you do stake SAI, you will get around 4.46% annually on your stake SAI, and you can actually so I think the investors actually can stake their tokens as well. So as of now, the bounded SAI are around 6.06, which is around 69.91%. And if we look at their proposals or their governance, as of now they do not have anything active going on. So in terms of side utility, I think it is actually used for transaction fees, and it is also used for staking and liquidity pools, and this one the governance. So the utility is pretty much clear in terms of its utility, because it is a layer 1 like other. So let's look at this trade which we set up actually. So if we look here, as you can see, this was a trade setup from our last video, and I have been covering this coin for quite a lot, so you can also check those video out if you are interested. So we actually entered at these points and we sold it around $1, so that was a pretty good trade. So as of now it has been going up, so it did not actually it did not hold this support, and it went up and it went down. So the first demand zone I think is here around 7.5 to 7.4. The reason I believe is that because it actually topped around here and it went back and it went here, it played as an important resistance, and once it broke out, as you can see, it went up. So I think this could be one of the best entry point you can actually get as of now. So if we are able to enter in the SAI around here, I think and another entry point will be around 7.71. If this one does not hold, I think this one will actually. So if we are able to get enter here, we can actually sell at 0.82 or even higher. So as you may already know that BTC is going up, so that means it is taking a lot of money from other layer ones. So once it does get stable, I think the money will actually follow into the layer ones, and SAI could be one of the biggest coin which it may pump. So another entry point is around here 67 to 66. So if not, I think we can actually enter around here, so 61 to 59. So these are the three important entry points which I think will happen. And in terms of price prediction, I think if the BTC does not go down and it gets stable and the other layer ones go up, such as Ethereum, Solana and others, I think the SAI could be heading to the $2 point, because it is, if you look at its market cap, it's relatively lower compared to others. So I think this has a potential to hit actually $2. So thanks for watching. This was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back more. Thanks.